Flint is a digital assistant. It can help improve your chances of showing up in online search results when people look for businesses like yours. Google checks over 200 factors to decide where you should sit in search results. Flint will guide you towards improving the most important factors. Improving your website for good search results is called SEO or search engine optimization. Flint is a smart little helper that guides you through this optimization process, providing smart suggestions along the way. Flint's smart suggestions might not be perfect, it's just a computer brain after all, but it will provide a helpful starting point and Flint will get better as it learns. Flint can be accessed by clicking the lightning bolt on the homepage you want to optimize in editor mode or from the SEO column of your Manage Pages area. Setting up Flint is easy. After the video, step 1 is to select your industry. Step 2, choose your service location. Step 3, enter your business name as people might search for it. Step 4, complete the Flint tasks on your homepage. The first task is selecting your main keyword phrase or what people might search for your products or services. This should be 2 to 3 words long as that's the length people type into searches. The other tasks are all about targeting this phrase. When a task's requirements are met, you'll see a green tick button which means the task is done. If you see a red alert symbol, it means there's an issue you need to fix before completing the task. Each task has a short video explaining what the task is for. You'll see a progress indicator that shows how well your page is set up to target people searching for the keyword phrase you've chosen. Once all the tasks are completed on your home page, move on to completing the Flint tasks for your other pages. Your home page might be optimized for your main industry keyword phrase, but then you might want to optimize your services page for a specific niche service you offer. The more focused you can make your pages on a specific topic, the more effective your SEO efforts will be.